Ladies and gentlemen, happy holidays to you. I'm inviting all of you to join me. Join me in picking up the trash in Haiti. Join me. Log on. Click on the GoFundMe link. Click on it. Donate. Donate however much you can. Donate $20 a month, $50 a month. You can make a one-time donation of $100, $1,000, $5,000. You can call me to participate. You can call me to be a leader in this project. You can call me to be an ambassador in this project. I'm looking for Haitians who are conscious that we need to pick up the trash. I know the issue of trash is one that we all are annoyed with. And so I'm coming to all of you, and I'm going to be asking all of you for your participation. I was live earlier, and the live got cut off. But I just want to make a quick note, send a quick message to all of you out there to know that there is a woman. She's only one woman, but she's hoping to be 10,000 women and men put together, because Haitian men and women, we work together all the time. So I'm hoping that by the end of this year, it could be 20,000 of us, 1,000,000 of us, putting our heads together to raise awareness and raise money to get rid of the trash issue in Port-au-Prince. I bid you all a super wonderful, marvelous, stupendous, fabulous New Year 2021. Join me. Click on the GoFundMe. Donate your $100. Donate $1,000. I know you Haitians are rich all over the world, and you brag all the time on how rich you are. So I'm counting on donations of 5,000, 20,000, 10,000. Yes, I am. Click on the GoFundMe link, and you can also call me for a receipt if you would like a receipt. Fund me, 347-903-9717. Happy, wonderful New Year 2021 to all of you.